Hi boys and girls. Today I am going to read A Green, Green Garden by Mercer, Meyer. I'll show you the first picture. He's scaring his sister with worms. That's very nice. It is time to plant my garden. We go to the garden store. It has everything we need. I want a green, green garden. I find many seeds to plant. Mom says we will buy some seeds. Dad says we will also buy some baby plants. They are very little. They all look the same. Dad rents a plow from Mr. Pinky. We go home to plant my green, green garden. Look at the trunk full of plants they've got. Dad plows the garden. We pick up stones and clumps of grass. This is not fun. He does look like he's not really enjoying himself, is he? We plant the seeds and the baby plants. I am tired. I need cool water. What's happening with his water all over the floor? Oh dear. We are finished. I say, now we can rest. Dad says, we must water each plant. We take turns. Every day we weed, water, and wait. We weed, water, and wait some more. We wait a lot. Dad takes pictures. At school, I learn more about gardening. We make a compost heap full of old leaves and stuff. It makes good garden dirt. We buy worms to put in my garden. There's that picture we saw at the front. Scaring his sister with the worms. Deer come and eat some of my garden. Blue wants to protect it. Look at their fierce pet dog. He does look like he's protecting it, doesn't he? Finally, I have a green, green garden. I have a yellow, orange, and red garden too. Lots of colors. Boy, they're growing all sorts of stuff. See if you can tell what it is. Tell your parents all the vegetables you see in that picture. We have a great dinner, all from my green, green garden. I hope you enjoyed today's book. Look forward to see some more next week.